Hello everyone, I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do a long catch. This is a catch that you can do between movements to help make your flow seamless and smooth and continuous. So a little prereq just to show you and practice is going to be the reverse vertical figure 8, which is this one, and then the forward vertical figure 8, which is this one. So to start out with hand position, for the long catch, your palm is always going to be open facing up, your knuckles facing down, and anytime you catch the Flowstar, it's just going to be between your forefingers and your thumb. And you can catch the Flowstar anytime it's spinning towards your hand, if that makes sense. So if you're catching it with your left, it's spinning this way, and if you're catching it with your right, it's spinning this way. And you can basically go into a vertical 8 as soon as you get that catch using the gravity that's already happening. So just to show you what I'm talking about, this is what it looks like. Reverse vertical figure 8, give a little toss, forward vertical figure 8. Practice on the other side, reverse vertical figure 8, give a little toss with your hand open, and that just goes straight into the forward vertical figure 8. And this is, like I said, it's such a great catch to know. You can get into it by literally any moves that you're doing. If you want to go under the leg, if you just want to give a little catch, if you want to do a shoulder roll. That long catch is such a great connecting move that you can do. So this was a tutorial for a long catch. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, share to a Flowmie who wants to learn, and subscribe to our channel for more. I'm Arianne, and thank you for watching today's tutorial.